For pro athletes, Amazfit Stratos 3 is one of the best devices for tracking your exercise and performance. The benefits come with a range of features like built-in GPS, wrist-based optical heart rate sensors, onboard sport profiles, among many other features like battery life up to 14 days, outdoor screen visibility, waterproof 5 atmosphere, simple structured interface, user comfort, offline music, Wi-Fi connectivity, wireless headset pairing, sport recognition based on your action, ability to change the watch faces and silicone straps, a touch screen, physical buttons and multi-language OS. Hi there, I'm Hans, this is Banggood channel, and in this video we'll review the Amazfit Stratos 3. And for those who have the purchase decision, we will leave the link in the description, so click on that link to get the most updated price in real time. There is a noticeable trust with appearance and the build quality of Amazfit Stratos 3. It's a shiny metallic looking edge and ceramic grade bezels with luster dots that showing the minutes and seconds, surrounding the 1.34-inch full round translective screen with 320 pixels by 320 pixels. 60 grams is very light compared to appearance. The watch has 4 buttons. The first one from the top turns smartwatch on and off and select options. In the middle, 2 smaller buttons for up and down or browse through the options, and last one round button to go back. The comfortable silicone straps with metal buckle and an extra loop sizing 22mm wide with quick removable spring bar. There is no discomfort when you wear the watch for sleep tracking feature, showering, running, resting and other everyday situations. The screen also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3, and it's also 5 atmosphere waterproof for pool swimming activity. At the back we have all the main optical sensors of the watch, the BO tracker and charging pins for magnetic charging pad. The watch built-in with accelerometer, gyroscope, geomagnetic sensor, atmospheric pressure sensor, heart rate and oximetry. Amazfit Stratos 3 smartwatch screen is always on with dimmer screen as long as you raise your wrist or wait with physical buttons. The most importantly, the screen is a touch screen and the definition of the displayed image is very good. The brightness control has 4 modes. It is excellent for outdoors, and since the screen is transflective, the more light falls on it, the easier we can see. And during the night, you can decrease the brightness to a minimum so there is no light disturbing while you're sleeping. There are in total 19 sport modes, which watch will detect and recognize your action throughout a training session. Included sport features: run, walk, outdoor, cycle, pool swim, open water, treadmill, indoor cycle, elliptical, rower, fitness, hike, climb, trail run, triathlon, sky, tennis, soccer, multisport and jump rope. Amazfit Stratos 3 can check data from various sessions and give us a summary of any changes of our body. For example, the heart rate is monitored 24 hours a day. With continuous heart rate monitoring, you can adjust your exercise and intensity according to your heart rate changes and finally achieve the purpose of exercising in a smart way. The smartwatch uses Amazfit OS software with up-to-date firmware update. The internal storage of 2.28 GB, of which 2.12 GB is available for the user. It can be used to load your songs, so you can pair the Bluetooth headset and go for running without your smartphone. The Stratos 3 has no microphone, no SIM card tray and no speaker. On the other hand, it has Bluetooth connection 4.20 above and Wi-Fi connectivity. And speaking about the software, Amazfit software, it's available for Android and iOS user. From there, you can synchronize the watch, change the watch face and even share your progress on social media. View the road taken with GPS, view the sleep and fitness quality and all your activity history. You can even download the software before even buying this watch. The Stratos 3 is equipped with 300 mAh battery and it can run 6 to 7 days in a smart mode. And there is also ultra mode, like power saving mode. It can run for 14 days by reducing the functions and the resolution. If using GPS continuously, the range can be 35 hours to 70 hours depending on the accuracy of your location. And that's all for today's video. I hope I did good job. Like the video, subscribe, share, ask the questions, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.